Lab
lab
solution.
solution,
ID password.
ID password you have to enter, then okay. IR.
IR only.
But other instrument data can be
We can show the
so
data.
that you know right from data manager
Yes, yes.
like that. So here what you have to do? First you have to select the project. So now
Project
I'm doing,
IR project is there. IR
but
is
that is your main project, no? I will do in the qualification project demo only, no?
okay, okay.
Mm, okay. So instrument first first thing is you have to select the
Select project.
project. Then this is your instrument area.
Instrument.
So once you double click, it
You
will
will
open the application software,
Yes,
which
yes.
is controlling the instrument. So always these and all you are not going to do. You are always will go for spectrum.
Spectrum only.
So just single click. It is for spectrum.
Spectrum.
So this is the main window. So now what you have to do? You have to keep the instrument first 5 to 10 minutes for warm up.
For warm up.
No, don't keep the instrument in on condition for 24/7. It will create more temperature inside, and your laser will may get damage. Means laser temperature will go higher. Then you may get some errors.
That instrument are not required. Only this bulb will be there na.
That is
on
okay.
condition.
On
Okay,
condition.
we will give power supply only. We will not
Only
switch on the.
only that humidifier supply will be there.
Okay.
Main things will start working when you switch on from here.
Okay.
So now instrument is, suppose it is completed 5 minutes time. Then from here instrument initialize you have to do.
Initialize means.
Initialize
Initialize means what will happen?
instrument and PC will get communication will happen. Initialization steps will start. So just I'm clicking initialize. So these are the checks during initialization. One is control parameter, checking laser, then light source, whether everything is fine means.
Then it will get ready.
Yes. So left side finally you will get the final result. Initialization succeeded. Like that. So this instrument is comes with one IR source, laser source, moving mirror,
and
fixed mirror, and other reflecting mirrors. Then beam splitter. This is KRS5 window. You should not touch here. This is poisonous window.
Poisonous window.
If you touch and if it is going inside, that material is poisonous.
What is that material name?
KRS5.
KRS5.
The coating we don't know, but it is having the property of like poisons. So you should not touch this one. And if you touch also, your instrument performance also will go bad. See, this is inside laser is there as a reference light. IR is not visible. So laser is used for alignment. So based on the laser feedback, only the alignment is working. See now IR spirit started initialization. So every checks are over. Now it will start checking the one piezo voltages. Piezo means here dynamic alignment is going on. Mirror is moving so that your IR light will that path will vary. So what mirror will do? Mirror backside two motors are there. That is called piezos. It will adjust the angle. It is happening 24/7. When you are switched on, that time itself it is starting. So the voltages of that one it will verify. First motor is called 101, another one is 102. Both should come pass.
Okay.
Then power spectrum. That means normally IR instrument having one
structure that
like mountain like one. Before I shown one.
I saw.
So that kind of graph is there. So there are some criteria. Maximum 200 is there means at 3000 this much should be there. That percentage what you are following in the SOP. This much should come. Maximum 100 is there means at 3000 you have to get 50% or more of 100. Then next 4000 25% or more of that 100 like that. So everything is okay means you will get the initialization succeeded. And here in the right side you can see the indication. Humidity is okay means green color. Your lamp, infrared lamp is okay means green.
Green
Laser
color.
lit means whether the laser is turned
Working
on.
or not at all.
Then laser temperature is some required temperature is there. This window means this is the window.
Window.
So it is connected with the interlock sensor. So if it is not proper, you are replacing silica gel. So this is, suppose if you open and kept means what will happen?
That
It
moisture
will
will
get absorbed and it will get completely
Damaged.
go bad. So you have to put the ziplock.
Ziplock.
First you have to release the air.
Release the air. Okay.
Then you have to ziplock it. Then you have to keep it one more ziplock cover for safety. Then again you have to put the ziplock. Then better keep it in desiccator.
Desiccator.
Okay.
That will
So
be
that
safe.
desiccator you have to keep.
For this, I have one separate desiccator required.
Yes, yes. Better you keep it somewhere here, so that you can keep your these things. And one more thing, if you are doing pellet method, then you require temperature chamber or desiccator. If you kept the KBR outside, what will happen? KBR is hygroscopic in nature.
Hygroscopic.
So easily it will get absorbed by moisture. To avoid that one, you can keep the pellet in the desiccator or in the one box will be there. Heat control.
Heat control chamber.
There you can keep. So now what we are going to do? So suppose I am going to start an analysis with the ATR.
ATR method.
ATR. So what I will do, initialization is completed. I am just fixing the ATR. So after fixing ATR, here you can see, just you have to wait for some time. Why? Because the downside sensor is there, it has to detect. So you got this, it is sensed. This is serial number for this. Other accessory type 1102 detected. That means you have
Load parameters.
Load parameters. And right now, as part of qualification, I created one method, ATR throughput. I will just open that one. Okay. Then first, what I have to do, I have to take a background with the ATR.
ATR, yes. Empty.
Means nothing.
Nothing
We
is
should not
there.
keep anything. Just you have to take one background scan.
Background scan, yes.
So it is based on number of 45 means 45 times it will take.
45 scan.
Yes. So you have to click on background scan. It will ask prepare sample compartment for background. Then okay. So it will take the background.
Background scanning.
This is the background of a ATR. It looks like this. Normal means it will be like this. Before listening, no? Like that. Normal background will be like this.
That one, current one? Current.
This is ATR background.
ATR background.
So when you are doing with the pellet method, first you will put the setup for pellet holder.
Pellet holder.
Black color. That you will fix it. Then in that only you are keeping the KBR pellet. With that one you will do the background scan. After that you will fix the sample plus KBR pellet. Then you will keep and you will give a sample scan.
Sample, that mixed sample plus KBR.
Yes.
That for blank we will remove. At a time we cannot keep.
No. That KBR pellet will remove, then sample pellet will keep.
Okay.
It is like in UV and all other things and all we are KBR using because KBR will transmit 100% of IR light.
IR light. That's why.
Okay, there is no interference. Only thing interference can happen if the KBR is absorbed by moisture.
Okay.
Other than nothing will happen. So these are the moisture peaks. These peaks, these noisy things are moisture peaks. That will be there for all the models. Like whatever Shimatsu, Perkinel, Brazilian, whatever instrument is there, this will be there. That is common.
And how can I identify that? If our sample, if I will inject any sample, and how I will understand what the result coming?
So so initially where we are in it. So once after completion of background, automatically went to view
mode.
So again you have to click on
measurement window.
We'll do one
PQ.
no, not center. sample number something will be there. So that and all you can update here. And before starting one thing, suppose you are going for peak pick or point pick. So peak pick means from tools, print preference, first one,
Spectrum data files.
So here already one template is there. That is default one. That you have to detach. So it is empty. Then you have to click on attach.
Attach. You need to select
point pick.
Now I am going to do point pick only. Okay. I am just checking one some data set particular wave number. So for that means point pick. Peak pick means
AC.
what's that?
AC hierarchy.
Nothing AC required. Then point pick. So whatever processing you are going to do accordingly before starting you have to configure the template. Now I am going to explain you point pick only.
Point pick only.
So okay. Then you have to give sample scan.
Sample scan. Okay.
Noise level or transparency. AC.
AC that flag you have to keep direct towards that side.
PQ today complete.
Today I will do it. Okay. But method for throughput that you have to create. Who will create?
Manikanda.
Okay.
My ID is PQ completed.
Analysis going on. Analysis.
Now it is going on. So 45 scan mean downside you can see here.
44 is scan complete.
So now it is completed.
Just within a minute.
Completed means immediately it will register in the database. Once in your sample scan. That you can see from here. Data manager. In the performed project, clear start. Data. See, it is registered. I'm just opening. See, Fleming license. So I configured a point pick table. Point pick. So who is acquired the data? These things will come here. Okay. So till we have not done the point pick process.
Point pick, yes.
So what we will do? For point pick, what we have to do? View data
processing result.
So here one table will come. Here point pick you have to go. So I am going to pick the peak from 1450. Okay. Example 1450. Just you have to enter in the x-axis, then enter. So 94.93% transmitted. So again save button is highlighted.
Okay.
Then you have to click save. So what processing you have done? Point pick performed. Then okay. So now it will generate a. So now the version will be version 1. Table style example information. Version.
That will have.
I will data file name, data number, version, database. Okay, see. So now the version is changed to 2. That means what? You processed the data, you picked a 1450 so that initial raw data got processed. So this is the peak you taken from there. Sorry, point pick. You have done at 1450. This is point pick setup. That's it. Suppose you are doing in this method means what you will do? You will do the initialization, then you will keep the setup.
Setup there.
So when you are going for pellet method, you can keep all the setup because IR light is not blocking. If you are keeping the holder, nothing will happen. You can fix the holder and you can initialize the instrument then pellet you can keep for background, then next pellet for sample. So always before starting you have to change the template based on your data processing. Okay. So next, so I will do next for